How to borrow money from PayPal. Hello and welcome back everybody to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up, and there are some ways that we can use in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by opening up the PayPal application for that on our device, and we can use different options such as PayPal credit in order to do so. So one of the thing we can do is once we open up the PayPal application or website or anything, we can look out for the accounts option. And within the account options here, we'll be finding different options. We need to scroll down from the given page. And when we do, we'll be finding a section called Pay with Convenience and Flexibility. So these three right here are the options that we can use. One of them is PayPal Cashback MasterCard, where we can get up to 3% cashback. We have PayPal credit card, which is special financing on PayPal purchases for $149. And we have pay later option, which is spending power is $2,900. So these three are the options that we can use in order to borrow money from them. And PayPal also offers 0% interest for 6 months on purchases over $149, while working capital provides cash advances based on sales and apply directly through the PayPal application or the website for that. This is one of the method. Apart from that, what we can do is we can also look out for the menu option in the top left. And once we select that option from the given menu, we can find an option called Pay Later. So go ahead and tap on that option. And within that option also, we can use this option called Pay Later and go ahead and borrow money from them. So we can pay later at millions of stores. Here are different stores available. We can also look out for the instructions where we can choose PayPal as a way to pay when shopping at our favorite stores. We can just go and look out for the pay later option, and we can interest fee payments every 2 weeks starting today. And payments starting 1 month after purchase. You can complete your purchase and let AutoPay handle all the payments for you. So you can select one of the store and directly look out for the option called Pay Later and follow out the instructions, and that way you should be able to borrow money from them. And that's it. So that is it everybody. For now, you can just go and follow out this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.